Hello, professionals, and welcome to 121 Professionals on YouTube. My name is Chidima Osigwe, and on today's episode, I'll be showing you how to file Nil VAT on the FIRS Taxpromax platform. I'm making this video post updates of generating the TIN on the TAXPROMAX platform. And from recent happenings, you would still need to visit your tax office for documentation, even after generating your TIN automatically on the FIRS Taxpromax platform. So, if you're not sure of what the FIRS Tax Promax website is, I would advise that you search Tax Promax on Google and then click on it, and it brings you to this dashboard. Log in with your login credentials, and immediately you do that, you would see this interface. So the moment you see this interface, click on taxes due. So the moment you click on taxes due, you would see all the tax filing that is outstanding. So from this dashboard, this particular company has two taxes due. That is the CIT, company income tax, and VAT, value added tax. Now we're looking at filing nil VAT for this period, right? Now, if you fail to file your VAT on the 21st of the following month, you will be incurring a tax liability of 50,000 naira. That's returns penalty, late returns penalty of 50,000 naira. And in subsequent months, you'll be incurring late returns penalty of 25,000 naira, which might sum up to 75,000 naira tax penalty, not inclusive of the VAT amount due for that period. So, to save yourself this stress, it's best you file your VAT on the 21st of the following month, on or before. So you should even have a policy that allows you file your VAT before the 21st of the following month. So moving on, if you have zero rated sales or tax exempt sales, fill the sales schedule and indicate that these are tax exempt sales and these are zero rated sales. So let's proceed. Click on process so that we can proceed with the filing. Click on process. The moment you click on process, click on sales schedule. So the returning currency, NGN, Naira. Then if you have zero rated or VAT exempt sales, upload them on your schedule. You have the access to download sample templates. So download sample templates, fill the sample template and indicate that these are VAT exempted and these are zero rated. Upload schedule and click on proceed. Also, if there are no record of purchases, also indicate that as well. And then click next, and it brings us to this interface. So for this particular company, they made no sales for the period. That's why we can see the total sales as zero. If they had filled a schedule for goods and services exempted or zero rated, you can see less goods and services exempted and less zero rated goods and services from their sales. That's why it's important that if you have services exempted or zero rated goods and services, it's always advisable that you fill them in your schedule, include them in your schedule, right? And then you scroll down and check for any adjustment and tick the box confirming that the details you have provided are correct, and then click on submit, and voila, your returns has been received. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share this video as well to an accountant that is just starting off their accounting career. My name is Chidima Osigwe, and this is 121 professionals. Thank you for watching.